sunny. Highs in the upper 40s.
Here we go.
The following is a Weekley test. This is a test of the no-weather radio warning alarm device, an emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations and civil emergencies, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending danger. A test of these receivers is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon.
Good job,
weather
right on
permitting.
time, Willie checks.
In the event of the test being canceled, it will then be rescheduled for the next day between 11 a.m. and noon. This is No-Weather Radio Station WXK63, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz, with transmitting facilities in Coffee County. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management. Repeating, this has been a test of the No-Weather Radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings, or civil emergencies, affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of Bedford, Kenning, Coffee, Franklin, Grundy, Marshall, Moore, Rutherford, Warren, Williamson, and Wilson. This concludes the test of the No-Weather Radio warning alarm device, an emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. Here is the forecast for Manchester, Tracy City, Estill Springs, Wartrace, Bradyville, Murfreesboro, and surrounding areas. Wind advisory in effect until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time this afternoon. Rest of today, cloudy. A slight chance of sprinkles late this morning. Breezy with highs in the mid-50s. Southwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. Gusts up to 40 miles per hour.
Alright, that's that.